Solving quadratics by grouping. A is not equal to 1. You might be asking why, if I have to multiply the A times C, why do I bother with that when A is always 1? A is not always 1 though. In this example, it is 3. First we set this up as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Done. Next we take a times c, so 3 times negative 10, I get negative 30. Factor this out. I can multiply 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, or 5 and 6 to get 30. I see that this is a negative and that this is a positive. Knowing that I have to have a positive times a negative, positive times negative, to get a negative, and that if I add things together, I want a positive, the bigger number has to be a positive. So the bigger number is positive, that means the smaller number is going to be negative. So I am going to put a negative sign in front of each of the smaller numbers. I now add these together. Negative 1 plus 30 is 29. Negative 2 plus 15 is 13. Negative 3 plus 10, 7. Negative 5 plus 6, 1. I want the one that adds up to 13. There is my b term. I am going to use negative 2 and 15. Bring those over, replace this. So now I have my 3x squared minus 2x plus 15x minus 10 equals 0. So the minus 2 plus 15 minus 2 plus 15x. Next I am going to cover up, factor something out of this. 3 and a 2, nothing there. X, yes, I can factor an x out. What do I have left? 3x squared divided by x is 3x. Minus 2x, so negative 2x, divided by x is negative 2, or minus 2. Cover up the first half. Look only at the 15x minus 10. What can I factor out of that? Well, the 15 and the 10 can both be divided by 5. What am I left with? 15x divide 5. 15 divide 5 is 3. X, no x. I have to use the x. Negative 10 divide 5. Negative 2. Close up my parentheses and carry down the equal 0. The numbers inside the parentheses are the same as the numbers inside the parentheses. My signs are the same. I carry them down in their own set of parentheses. What is outside the parentheses? X plus 5. They go into their own set of parentheses now. And this still equals 0. I now split this up. 3x minus 2 equals 0. x plus 5 equals 0. Add my 2 over. 3x equals 2, or x equals 2/3. Subtract my 5 over. X equals negative 5. So my answer is x equals 2/3 and x equals negative 5. Done.